Well, it's a beautiful fall day here in Unity, Oregon, and I'm sitting here with my good friend, the ex-mayor of Unity, Larry Stratton. There's a lot of history in this town, and Larry, tell us a little bit about this town and the history of it.
Well, the town was officially incorporated in 1972, and they elected 5 people to be on the city council. Myself was one of them. Fred D. Meyer, Gail Bradford, Earl Strang, and Roy Doobie. And we two took, and then they incorporated, then they started working on a sewer system to take and help out the people in Unity to keep the wells from getting contaminated. And there was a population of about 250 at that time. There was a sawmill, there was logging, there was mining, and it all contributed to it. There was also one of the things that we had in our industry was hunting and fishing, and we didn't have to draw for any deer tag, the elk tag, and so when it come deer season, it was a very, very busy time. Now you draw for it, and so it's not near as busy. That's one of the changes. They've moved the sawmill out, they've moved the logging out, they've moved the mining, got it down. So the population now is around, I would guess, about 78. And most of the people that live here is either senior citizen or they live here and they work someplace else because the industry is gone. So things are a lot slower. A lot of changes have been made. The city council has now moved away from being city council, and the county court in a Baker is what takes care of the city business. Some of the things they do is, well, it's not as beneficial as what was if the people was on the city council was here. So things have changed quite a bit since it's become a town and become a city. We've had some of the new industries, some of the new buildings that's been put in. The post office was put in about '65, which is before the city was incorporated. And in '74 we put the sewer system in, and I think in about the '80s they put the water system in, fire hydrants, fire department, and stuff. But now things have went to the point where there is no fire protection, and things are very quiet, laid back.
Well, you know, Larry, this is older town, and it's an awesome place to live. I ran a sheep ranch here for many, many years. Raised world-class border collies and California red sheep, and I'm retired now. I'm 80, and I live in the city. And I wouldn't trade living here for any place in the world. And this is a great little town. It's one of the quietest places I've ever been at. And it's just as quaint as you can be. It's one of the quaintest places around Oregon. But thanks, Larry, for telling us all about Unity, Oregon.